Welcome. Wassce 2023 Objective Test Questions September edition. Question 21 to 25 in this episode. So a cylindrical container closed at both ends has a radius of 5 centimeters and a height of 10 centimeters. So we have to calculate, correct to the 2 decimal places, the total surface area. In one of my episodes, I explained how to calculate the total surface area of a closed cylinder. So total surface area is going to be 2 pi r plus h, where we know that the r is the radius and the h is going to be the height. So we have 2 times 22 over 7, then we multiply by the 5, which is the radius, then 5 plus the height, which is also 10. So what do? We are now going to have this times this times this. Don't forget 2 times 5 will be 10. 10 times 22 will be 220 divided by 7 times 5 plus 10 will be 15. So since we don't have any common factor, we multiply the numerators together divided by 7. So from here, when we multiply 220 by 15, that gives us 3,300 divided by 7. And if we divide that, we have 471.43. I am writing it in 2 decimal places. So it will be 471.43 centimeters squared. Question 22. The height of a square base pyramid is 3 times, that's twice, the length of the side of its base. So if the base area is 324 centimeters squared, find the volume of the pyramid. We know we can make a sketch if you want to, that this is going to be the square base pyramid joining all the vertices to a particular point. If you do so, the center, the height will be from there. So this is going to be the diagonal. So this is what they are looking for. Now in this, they are saying that it's a square base, meaning the sides are the same. So if all of them are going to be LL, then for me to find the area of the base, it will be area equals to L times L, which will be L squared. So it is this base that has been given to us as what? 324. So if I know what the length is from this calculation, I should be able to tell what the height will be, because 3 times the length. So how do I get the height? Will I get the length? I know the area, which is length times length, will be 324 equals to L squared. Then the square root of 324 equals to the square root of L squared. And this will give us 18 in this case equals to L, meaning the length of the pyramid is 18 centimeters. So what will be the height? The height will now be 3 times that of 18. 310, so we have 54 centimeters. How do we find the volume of a pyramid? The volume of a pyramid is given by 1/3 times the base area times what? The height. 1/3 the base area. And the base area has been given. So this will be 1/3 times 324 times 54, which is the height. So per your cancellation, don't forget, 3 will go here, 18. If you multiply this 324 by 18, that will give us 5832. We are looking for volume, therefore centimeter cube. 5,832 centimeter cube become the volume of any pyramid, a square base pyramid with its base area between 324. Question 23. the side of a scalene triangle are 4 centimeter, 9 centimeter, and 11 centimeter. Calculate correct to the nearest whole number the area of the triangle. If you check one of my videos under menstruation 1, I explain how to calculate the area of a scalene triangle using the Heron's formula. We state that the area is equal to the square root of the semi-perimeter times the semi-perimeter minus A, semi-perimeter minus B, and semi-perimeter minus C, where A, B, and C are the sides of the triangle. And the semi-perimeter is A plus B plus C divided by 2. 4 plus 9 plus 12 divided by 2. I believe this is 11, 20, 24. Divided by this will give us 12. So in finding the area, I am only going to do substitution. Semi-perimeter will be 12 times 12 minus 4, which is the first side of the triangle. 12 minus 9, 12 minus 11. So per our substitution, that is what we are going to have. So I'll have 12 times 8 times 3 times 1. That is the subtraction from the bracket. So this is going to be 24 times 12. And 24 times 12 gives us 288. And if you put that in your calculator, you're going to have 16.970. But writing your answer in the nearest whole number will mean that we are having 17 centimeter square as the area of a triangle, a scalene triangle that has the size 4, 9, and 11 using the Heron's formula. Check it out on how to find the area of all triangles in my video under menstruation 1. Number 24. Determine the least value of x so that 7 plus x equals to 3 mod 8. We know under modulo. Modulo is a remainder theorem. As in, if we divide this number by 8, getting a certain quotient, the remainder will be this. So that simply means that if I subtract the remainder from the number, the answer should be divisible by 8, or should be a multiple of 8. Meaning 7 plus x minus 3 should be equals to 8 times a certain number, the quotient you're talking about. So if I subtract this, I'll be having 4 plus x equals to 8n. Don't forget the n is the quotient. That we are the answer we get when we divide this number by 8, producing this very remainder. Now that we subtract the remainder, it means the answer is not divisible by 8, or is a multiple of that. So we need the values of x that when we add to 4 will make the answer a multiple of 8. 1 will be 5, 2, 3 will be 7, 4 will be 8. The 8 is divisible by 8, meaning the first value of x will be 4. They say the least. There are other numbers that when you add it and to this, it will be divisible by this. But we are looking for the least. Therefore, the least value of x is going to be 4. Question number 25, the last one in this episode. The angle of elevation of the top of a vertical pole P on a level ground is 60 degrees. The distance from the P to the foot of the pole is 55 meters. Find the height of the pole. Don't forget, under application of trigonometry, as we discussed this topic, if the point P is on the same horizontal level with the pole, so the P is here. If you are going to look at the top of the pole, you raise your head up. The angle of elevation is formed on top of a horizontal line. So this will be right angle triangle. The height of the pole is this. The distance between the pole and the foot is going to be 55 meters. I believe you can use a simple trig ratio, opposite adjacent, and that will be tan 60 equals to the opposite side over the adjacent side. A simple cross multiplication will make your age equals to 55 tan 60. So in the possible answers, the answer is left in terms of said. So I'll only have to change the tan 60 into its value in said, which will be root 3. So the whole of this with a meter give us the height of the pole. Don't forget, we can convert this in decimal, but the question is demanding for the answer in said, so we end it in this form. Thank you for watching. I believe you like the video. If you like it, go back and click on like button. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please do so. Subscribe, hit the notification button so that anytime a new episode is uploaded, you'll be the first to receive it. Share with somebody who might need this and comment. Bye-bye.